Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, April 12th, 2022. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we start off with a little bit of rain moving through the region with a cold front that's going to be stalling out over our area today. Some of this rainfall looks worse on the radar than the actual bite. We have some light to moderate rainfall up here towards northeastern Pennsylvania that's lifting up towards the Hudson River Valley and Albany. The rest of these showers are relatively light, and a lot of this isn't even reaching the ground, especially around Philadelphia and Trenton. But we expect some of these showers to reach the ground, producing a threat for some isolated to widely scattered showers today. Temperatures this morning range from the mid to upper 40s over the interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast, with winds gradually veering to the southwest. Now, here is our frontal boundary and our associated rainfall. Again, more bark than bite here. A lot of this is not reaching the ground, but what is, well, it's producing light to moderate rainfall. This will continue to move through this morning and exit out of our region by this afternoon, with this frontal boundary basically stalled out over the region, and then it will lift north as we move on through tonight into tomorrow, introducing much warmer weather conditions. One might almost describe it as summer-like. So definitely some good news in that respect, but we remain unsettled through the forecast period. So let's dive into this infrared satellite picture, and this really sets up our entire pattern here. Here's our frontal boundary right here, okay? And you can see some stronger lifting associated with this cold front boundary, and it's moving through. Then it kind of trails back here, and you get this area down here in the subtropical jet stream, and this vigorous disturbance here over the Rockies. Now, this is going to develop into one very nasty winter storm over North Dakota. You guys like winter? I know some of you guys have been dropping me emails asking for, hey, I miss winter, I miss snow. Well, go to North Dakota. You get about 40 inches of snow and you can keep it, because that is going to be one nasty winter storm over northern North Dakota. This low pressure system and cold front will eventually reach our area and pick up some of this moisture down here and march its way through by the time we get to Thursday afternoon. And that is going to introduce us to more showers and maybe even a few embedded thunderstorms. So an active weather pattern for sure. But there is some good news for the end of the week. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Showers this morning, becoming scattered cloud cover with a few isolated showers this afternoon. Temperatures will rebound into the mid-60s over the interior to the lower 70s along the coast, especially in the Delaware River Valley. Some of these showers, again, will be capable of a moderate downpour, but for the most part, it's going to be focused over the Poconos and up towards the Catskills. Most of the region will experience light rainfall out of these showers, and they will be widely scattered. For tonight, look for clearing skies with temperatures falling off into the mid to upper 40s. For tomorrow afternoon, the frontal boundary will lift northward as a warm front. Look for isolated showers as a threat. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s over the interior, upper 60s to mid 70s along the coast, especially on Long Island, and mid 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. So where we'll get the lower 80s will basically be the more sunshine you get, the better chance you'll see that temperature breaking 80 degrees. On Thursday, our cold front approaches. Ahead of the cold front for much of the day, you have scattered cloud cover and isolated showers possible, with low temperatures ranging from the mid-50s over the interior to the mid-60s along the coast. High temperatures ahead of the cold front will range from the upper 60s to mid-70s on the immediate coast, lower to mid-70s in the interior, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. Again, the more sunshine you see, the higher the temperatures will be. Then in the afternoon hours, say from about 2 p.m. through about 8 p.m., you have showers and a few embedded thunderstorms. Right now, not expecting severe thunderstorms, but you probably hear some rumbles of thunder, a little bit of lightning, and some heavier downpours. By the time we get to Friday morning, it all clears out. High pressures in control with sunny skies, and I know you Met fans are wondering about opening day at home. Well, it should be pretty nice with high pressure in control. Low temperature will range from the upper 30s over the interior to the lower 40s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s over the interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast. A very pleasant day indeed. Now for the weekend, we're going to have a series of weak cold fronts and troughs move through the region with a threat for some isolated to widely scattered showers. Now this isn't a washout for the weekend, but you're definitely going to want to be prepared for a passing shower or two if you have some outdoor plans. Temperatures on Saturday will range from the lower to mid 40s for lows, mid 60s over the interior to the mid 70s along the coast for highs. On Sunday, look for low temperatures in the mid 30s over the interior to the upper 40s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower 40s over the interior to the mid 50s along the coast. On Monday, high pressure will build in. Now, originally yesterday, we were watching a low pressure system producing heavy rain and possibly even some interior snow. That low pressure system is going to be developing a little bit slower based on a wide variety of guidance as we're getting better handle on the timing of this development. So Monday we get this high pressure system building in, and that's going to produce tranquil weather conditions and chilly too. Look for low temperatures in the mid 20s over the interior to the mid 30s along the coast. High temperatures rebound into the mid 50s. On Monday night into Tuesday, we have this wave of low pressure approaching area. Now, the idea here is that we're going to have a primary low pressure system somewhere in the Great Lakes. Some guidance has it back here, some has it up here, and then you get a secondary low somewhere on the coast. Any way you slice it, you get periods of rain along the coast and a wintry mix over the interior initially in the morning, changing over to rain as we move on through Tuesday morning into Tuesday afternoon with periods of rain. Temperatures on Tuesday will range from the lower to mid 30s over the interior, supporting that wintry mix, to the upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast, and high temperatures in the lower to mid 40s over the interior and upper 40s to mid 50s along the coast. So again, this all depends on the timing and development of this low pressure system, but early next week looks to be a bit of a stormy one, especially for Monday night into Tuesday. So we'll definitely keep an eye on that. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.